Welcome to the channel My Home Study. Today I am going to explain and giving the answer of 2.4 How doth the little busy bee. So let's begin. First I am going to summarize the poem. The poet wonders as to how the little honeybee is so busy, how it becomes more energetic and works even harder as the day goes by. He also wonders how it is able to gather honey all day long, moving from flower to flower. The poet tells us that the female honeybee skillfully builds the cells inside the honeycomb. This poem is written by Isaac Watts. Next one is parody and written by Lewis Carroll. The poet is talking about the crocodile that lives in the river Nile. He tells us that the crocodile improves his looks by pouring water on his body, which makes it shine and the scales appear golden under the rays of the sun. This will make him look very attractive to the fishes that he wants to prey on. The crocodile cheerfully grins and smiles, but his smile is a mask he puts to hide his real intentions of attracting the fishes. Behind the fake smiles is a beast, neatly spreading his claws, all the while lurking and waiting for an opportunity to strike at the innocent little fishes that may come to exchange pleasantries with him. And the message from what we get from the poem also draws our attention to the various people in the world who outwardly seem friendly but wait for an opportunity to strike an innocent people who may be unaware of these real malicious intentions. So the poet is warning us to be very careful while dealing with other and not get carried away by their sweet smile or attractive looks. Let's solve the English workshop. First one is write the meaning of. First one is dot does opening blooming. Third cell a compartment in the honeycomb. Next one is parody is a playful comic imitation of a writer's style. A parody is like a verbal cartoon. Compare the original poem and its parody given on page number 35 using the following points. First one is how do the little busy bee and second one how do the little crocodile. And the choice of the subject is a bee and next one is a crocodile. Number of the line and stanza 8 lines to stanza. Same or similar constructions, serious and moralistic, and from How Do the Little Crocodile, witty and humorous. Tone of the poem, inspirational, and from this, How Do the Little Crocodile will become sarcastic. Now, see the question number 3. Answer the following question and write in short why the parody sound funny. First one, what does the B stands for? Answer the B stands for the creator who is a model of hard work. Second, what does the crocodile stands for? The crocodile stands for the destroyer, a killer. Third one, why does the bee work hour after hour? Answer, the bee works hour after hour to gather honey from the flowers. Next, fourth one, why does the crocodile work? Answer, the crocodile work to attract the fish so that he can catch and eat them. Fifth one, is the bee a gentle creature? Is the crocodile gentle? Answer, the bee is shown to be gentle but the crocodile is not gentle. Describe a crocodile in your own words. Which of the words and phrases in the poem will you use in a realistic description? तो आपको यहाँ पर देखो लिटिल के आगे एक बॉक्स दिया है तो आप जो भी वर्ड यूज़ करोगे ना वहाँ पर आपको टिक करना है इसमें से कौन सा वर्ड आपने यूज़ किया है. सो द आंसर विल कम लाइक दिस. द क्रोकोडाइल इज अ carnivorous animal which kill fish and other creature. It looks cruel with strong jaws lined with huge sharp teeth. Its claws holds the victims strongly, preventing it from escaping. It is a predator that kills. Students, I have used your claws and jaws. You can write whatever you want to use here. Fifth one, note that most of the times well-known work are parodied because people can enjoy the parody better when they know the original. Try to find more examples of parodies in English or other language. Students, this answer you can find out from mobile or internet. Next one is, so what do you like better, the original poem or the parody? Why? I like the parody better. It is witty and funny and makes cruel predator looks interesting. The original poem is very serious.